Alright, we're back again. So this is what we got right here. We got some caps. Basically replacement, the correct caps, I believe, hopefully, for the Escalade ring gel. If y'all looked at my previous video, if you subscribe, I had one missing cap. So this is actually the same cap, and it fits pretty good. Let me show y'all what came with the vehicle, basically. See this, I don't know what years it's for, but it's shaking. We'll go around and I'll show you the other ones. So this side is the same thing. I don't know if it's for 07 or 08, 09. I don't think it's for the 14 or not. But then this one here is a fat boy, so you see that one is real snug. So basically, since I caught one good one on eBay, it was like kind of like a shot in the dark, but basically it worked out. So just wanted to take y'all along with me while I see if these work. So we go through one by one, people. So basically I want to show y'all it's pretty clean, it's good. It looked like factory. So yeah, why not? Basically I got my trim tool. Check it out. So just do a quick comparison on what it looked like. It looks, for some reason, it looked the same. Don't it look the same? It look damn near identical, but something is just, what's different about this? Can you tell what's different? Mm-hmm. No, I can see this part. Is it? Can't really too much tell with different people, but it just not holding it correctly. And let me see if I can see the difference in anything out here. I don't know. Now I can't really too much tell. Basically, the Cadillac sign is faded, I guess, because of the sun and the weather and all that. But yeah, should put it for sale, right? After I actually get it. So basically, the way these work, you got the stem right here. You're supposed to kind of line it up the best way you can from stem to stem. If you ain't know, now you know, because somebody taught me that. So now it's just to put the fitment in and it feels snug already, right? And let's see if we got some good motion here. So, yes, whoa. Did I bend this? Did I do this? I think I did do this. What's going on here? Did I do this or this was like this? Yeah, people, I gotta get something break. You didn't see nothing break? No. Cause I see kinda, I didn't notice this, so no, I don't think. But this right here kinda did a little bend here. Like something's missing, so look. I don't know. So these have all of these, but this one is just out. So let me take a look at the other ones I have, because they look crazy. That's gonna be how they doing it. Alright, what you see? It don't look like that, right? It's like this one. So you look from here. Alright. This one is kind of bent out a little bit more, people. For some reason. And I'm trying to see if there's like a defect. So if we look from here, it runs to here. Yeah, there's got to be some kind of defect, people, on this one. See how it was just out a little bit too much? Yeah, right here. See right here is good. Right here. And let's find that one right here. See? Will this be a problem now, motion? I don't know. We're gonna find out though. But yeah, see? This is what I caught right here, people. So I don't know if this is gonna be a problem, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Hopefully it's not. But if it is, I may have to return this one, which I really don't want to even go into all that nonsense right now. Really trying to just throw this in. But alright, we're gonna try to put this one in first. Try to be on the safe side, put that side in first. Right? And put the other side in. So hopefully it's snapping. I'm hearing. Feeling kind of tight. So let's do it again. Give me some light on this side now, it's motion. Just trying to see if everything is going in snug and correctly. And let's look at the valve again. Right? Let's look at this part. This part I was trying to line it up like right here. So this part is basically in already, right? So you shouldn't really have a problem going in. And let me see if I tap it a little bit. And basically it's in there. Now it's motion. Alright, it's snug in there. Right, so I'm gonna try to take it out now. Right, this is my trim tool. Alright, I'll use the trim tool. I'm gonna try to take it out and put it back in again. But I'm gonna go from, do I have the right trim tool? Let's go from here. Alright, and pop it out. Okay, and look what happened, people. Something broke. So where did this break from? Do you see where it broke from? Right here. So we got a piece that broke off right here already. Alright? Alright, let's see if that's really gonna be a problem with it basically staying in, because I really have to, at the end of the day, as I'm telling you, I really don't want to send this back. So I don't got time for the business. So I'm gonna line this up right here. And so it helps. So we're just gonna deal with that. I mean, we gotta use a different trim tool, which I got the trim tool set right here. If you get something a little bit more finer, like maybe this one should be a little bit better. What you think? This one? Let's just see. It's going in. Got a lot of action in the garage right now. People going back and forth. People going back and forth in the garage, people, but it's all good. We're not going to stop the recording because we're trying to show y'all the progress of what we got going on here. So they're trying to find the right trim tool basically for what I'm doing. And so I said this broke off, so I'm gonna save this right here. And then we're gonna actually go around from the back, right, and get the other one. We'll leave that one right here. Go around from the back. So we basically go remove the other one here. I'm gonna try to find the correct trim tool, but this is not the correct one. This one look like the correct one. I go inside there. It's kind of snug. Yeah. This one can't do it. Like I need a screwdriver or something. Let me see. Ooh, broke my trim tool. Damn. Escalade costing me. So this one actually did it. Kind of tight. So this one here, as you can see, this one here is a whole different ring setup. Like this ring setup is real bulky. What it is for the whole valve setup is different. It feels more heavy and bulky. And basically this got like some kind of numbers here. You know what I mean? So if anybody looking for a cap like this, I got one for you. You know what I mean? Look at the numbers and the codes. Alright, so I'm gonna basically go get another cap. Right. And get another cap. And these are a little bit comparison on the caps, as I said. It looks kind of way different, big difference. And this cap looked pretty in good shape and no default, but this one here, see this here? I think this right here is something that is supposed to be like this. Like, cause I don't see why, but it's after, nah, it's not. See how it goes? Cause it's aftermarket, so there's a little defect, which I'm noticing when they made it. So, hey, I think I paid what? I think it was like $18 or something like that. So, as I said, we're gonna go with the valve stem lineup, right, which is here, right here. And basically, I'm gonna try to put the bulky side in first. So let's kind of go like this. And so that one was good, right? What you think, Nas Motion? Pretty good, pretty sturdy. So you wanna leave this right there. We got one more to go. And we got this one right here. The last of the more weakness, people. So we see this right here that we're showing y'all. So we put this up here. As I said, they put this on eBay for sale. Like, I don't know what. Let's do a quick comparison of the last one. And hold on, they got some numbers here. 9566649. Right, same numbers. 9596649. Right, that's crazy, right? And you got another number, mode 1263. Mode 1263. Right? It looks the same, right? It looks identical. I don't see nothing different. And also, I didn't see them align with valve stem. So, valve stem right here. And we're gonna align. It actually has a whole arrow. So basically, try my best again to align with the valve stem. Let's see. And it fits perfect. And it looks perfect. Oh, and it spins. That's crazy. I don't know if it's supposed to do that. Alright, so basically I'm just gonna gather all of them. Which I don't know why this is like that. This one right here is just totally old. Totally old. The last one. This one right here is just, I don't know what's going on here, but the number's still the same. Still the same numbers. This one right here is totally different. I don't know where. So as y'all said, now we go stand back and we go take a look at it. The only one, as I said, was a default on this one right here. So I actually may make a comment on, I actually should make a comment, I should bring it back. What you think? What you think? It fit? Or I should just be like, yo, look, it didn't work out. What? It looks good, right? Mm-hmm. It looks good. As I said, it's a quick swap upgrade on the checklist, what I needed to get done. So all my caps is not leaking. brand new. I was thinking about doing something with the rim, maybe trying to get it re-chrome, or how about powder coated? What you think if I powder coated? You don't know? I don't know either. All right, guys, so I just wanted to show y'all real quick me doing a quick swap. I know it's not nothing big, but it's something big to me because it was incorrect and I corrected it. So it's part of my checklist. So basically, Rangel looks a little bit more smooth with the new caps. You know what I mean? Got a lot more work to do and coming along. So if you're new to my channel, once again, my name is Life from MykeLS. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hope you learned something. Catch you on the next one.